Hi guys, this is me. I miss you. You miss me. Then let's unbox. Oh my god. My classmate, she gave me this for me because she's biased to me. And my one classmate, she say, "Can I have that?" I see. I can't. Look guys. Look. So she's nice and I want this color because this is real life in your heart. Diba? So, ano dito? Meron nakalagay dito guys. Merong nakabutang ba? Nakabutang. Kuan. Labubu, that's so nice. 1K1 only. I love Labubu and daming heart na rin. Ganda naman nakalagay pa din Labubu at saka heart. And ang second B, ano na daw tayo ng color. Magpili taog color, guys. Ouch. Okay. Pink or blue or black or green or red. I want pink. My pink is blue. Blue. Let's unbox it. Wait, I have said to you, please follow my YouTube channel. First unbox it. Let's magsudlay tagay. Look my hair. I miss my YouTube and 2024 and 2020. So let's cut it. So guys, I want to say this. So the time is small na. So i-unbox kanina to itong part this. So ito-try na lang natin i-unbox. My god, mahiya ako, maano ako dito. Ah! God! Let's go. I want pink. I want this blue. Blue. Oh my gosh. My god! Hello guys, wala na time guys. Bye!